What the heck is wrong with me? Anyone? Anyone? My evil clone is doing a T-pose for no reason. Evil Jacob, stop doing that, okay? That's such a glitch, he cannot talk anymore. 11-year-old Jacob, please look at this. That is such a funny glitch of evil Jacob doing a T-pose glitch. I saw this in Plotagon videos / sepia. But I also need help on effects too. Hey, do you want to do the T-pose glitch or some effects or transitions? Well, you got me, Jacob plays. Let's do it. First, you get on your tablet, iPad, Android phone, or iPhone, or a computer and download Plotagon for this. Well, first, open Plotagon. Second, wait for the app to load. And now, third, press create a video, and then make a character. I'm going to make the hung. After you're done making a character, it takes you to your character selection, and press the character you just made, and replace a scene, and you go back to the character selection. You press those 3 dots below the selected character, and you can press rename your character, and rename it, Carl's Dad or Yeet Yeet. And boom, when you go to establish shot, you got the T-pose glitch. Now I will do my video. Now after you're done making the video, you press the export button at the top of the video at the right, and it takes you to render the video without captions or with captions, and you press one of them, and you wait. And there, it will ask you where to save it, and you can also save the T-pose expression video in your gallery, and now, your video is saved. Saved. Now let's see the preview. Yes, I did it. Now I have a T-pose expression, now I can stay there forever and ever. That T-pose looked creepy. You did the T-pose glitch. Now to do the special effects and transitions. You can try these out by yourselves, but sometimes, it won't work, so here's a test of trying them out. That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and sub to my channel. Jacob Plotagon is back, and the Ruiz Plotagon. I hope you even have fun making those videos, Jacob. You too, Dad. Bye everyone.